Over 8,000 satellites orbit above us right now. They guide navigation, synchronize financial systems, predict weather patterns. Modern civilization depends on them completely. But here's the problem. We've built our world on infrastructure we cannot defend, repair, or replace. In 2009, an Iridium satellite collided with Russian debris at 28,000 kilometers per hour. Thousands of fragments now orbit as bullets. One cascading collision event could render space unusable for generations. This is the fragility we've ignored. Until now, the HELIOS node changes everything. Autonomous spacecraft designed for 20-year missions in deep space, powered by thorium molten salt reactors that create their own fuel. MHD propulsion with no moving parts, 10 times more efficient than chemical rockets. Quantum navigation that cannot be jammed or spoofed. Edge computing processing teraflops locally, eliminating light-speed delays. These aren't concepts. They're engineering solutions ready for deployment. The building blocks of a new infrastructure. Individual nodes are impressive, but connect them into a mesh network, and you create something unprecedented. 4 layers spanning the solar system. Over 1,000 nodes in low Earth orbit. 6 at strategic cislunar points. Dozens throughout the asteroid belt and at Mars. Deep space stations at the outer planets. Connected by laser links transmitting 100 gigabits per second. Secured with quantum encryption that physics itself protects. When one node fails, the network routes around it. Self-healing infrastructure for the space age. Every kilogram launched from Earth costs $2,700. For a network operating for decades, the math becomes impossible, unless you harvest propellant in space. The Moon's regolith contains billions of years of trapped helium from solar wind. Process 150 tons. Extract 1 gram of helium-3. Scale it industrially. Then look further. Uranus, 0.9 g gravity, 15% helium atmosphere. Floating balloon factories, scooping gases, refining them, launching to orbital depots. This is how you break free from Earth's gravity well. The roadmap is clear. 2026 to 2028. Deploy test nodes. Prove the technology. 2028 to 2032. Build the cislunar network. Begin lunar mining. 2032 to 2036. Complete Mars relay. Launch deep space missions. By 2036, Helios Mesh becomes operational infrastructure. The British Empire controlled the seas. America built the internet backbone. China is building Belt and Road. This is the next iteration. Infrastructure in space. The architecture of ownership for the solar system economy. And it begins now.